In the ever-evolving landscape of Indian culinary scene, one name has risen to prominence. Transforming the way we look at salads, Salado, the brainchild of our founder Riya Rohra, has made its existence across India now. Began as a modest venture from our home kitchen, today we have outlets all over India. Come, let's meet her. To meet our founder, Riya Rohra.
Hello, I'm Riya. I'm really excited to announce my journey of Salado, which started from a basic home kitchen and now expanded like fire all over the world in the form of Salado cafes.
So, Riya ma'am, we would like to know what inspired you to start a cloud kitchen in the first
We were ourselves incorporating very healthy diet from day one. Like my husband used to do lots of exercise, gymming, and he was on a great diet. So that time I was making each and every different recipe for him, but he was not liking it. So Salado started with innovation and experimenting various recipes on my husband. I used to do experiment on him only.
Okay.
So that way we trying to incorporate more greens in our diet, and that way we launched Salado Cloud Kitchen, and little did I know that it will turn into a huge Salado empire, a huge Salado Cloud Kitchen. I did not have any idea.
Nice, that's great. So when Salado started back in 2019, right?
Yes.
So when Salado started, what was the small challenges Salado was facing when it was just initiating?
It started in 2021 and it was just going through like any basic cloud kitchen model. But the challenge came when we decided to launch it in a franchisee model.
Okay.
And we were supposed to from our cloud kitchen, we wanted to connect with different communities around the world. We wanted to promote wellness all over India, and moreover we wanted to encourage women entrepreneurs. We wanted to encourage women, empower women by giving them the opportunities to earn from their home, as after COVID many people got affected, So that way Salado started, and that way and from that journey the Salado Cloud Kitchen journey started, and now it has reached to multiple cafes.
Wow, this is very inspiring, and it is actually giving me goosebumps. A small cloud kitchen which started from home kitchen is now thriving into multiple locations of India, and they have also their QSR cafes. What was the big turning point for Salado? जहाँ से Salado का फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल लॉन्च हुआ, ये किसका आइडिया था और किसने आइडियलाइज किया था स्टार्ट?
First of all, I'm very lucky. I got very nice customers. I got so much love whenever I started to make from my own kitchen. I got so much love from my clients, and then I got a very incredible team which work hard day and night to make it a successful model. And apart from that, a cherry on the cake is that my husband has supported me at each and every step, from day one to delivering the salads, to launching the concept, to making the menu, and now he has launched the different concepts of franchisee models. So that way my husband has supported me in the Salado journey at a great level. So I'm basically very lucky to have a great customers, great team, and a great support system.
Great, amazing. Support systems which you've received from Kamlesh sir is not very common here, and starting a brand in tier 2 cities is also itself a big challenge, I believe. So what would be your suggestion to wannabe women entrepreneurs who are facing the challenges where their opinion is not considered in the society?
Yeah. See, first of all, they have to be consistent in their mind that whatever they want to do is of the great importance, and they should have the confidence in themselves. Once you have the confidence to do, you can achieve great heights, you can do whatever you want. No one can stop you. So that way my mantra and my advice to all the women entrepreneurs is that they should be consistent, and they should do whatever their mind says, and they should select the work according to their passion.
Thank you so much, Riya ma'am, for sharing your journey with us. It is truly inspiring, and it is very incredible to see a homegrown brand reaching out to multiple cities in India.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to sharing my journey with you all. Here is to eating healthy salads and promoting wellness one bite at a time. Until next time. And and I'm sure you all will enjoy the Salado at each and every outlet of Salado Cloud Kitchen.